Hello everyone and welcome back once again to my cooking channel. I am excited to share today the extraordinary Kashmiri chicken masala recipe, which is extraordinary delicious and a must try easy recipe. I am sure if you make it you will just fall in love with the taste of it. So let's go into the video and have a quick look on how to make it. I am making this Kashmiri chicken with half a kg of chicken pieces which I have kept cleaned and washed. Let's add around 3 tablespoons of refined oil in a kadai. Let's add some whole zira and 2-3 bay leaves and some whole garam masala like cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Now let's add around 2 medium sized chopped onions to it. I have chopped these onions vertically. Let's allow the onions to turn little golden in color. To speed up the process of browning, we have to add little salt. Now you can see that the onions have turned little golden. Two to three green chilies slitted. Let's add into it and 2 full tablespoons of freshly grinded ginger garlic paste. If you add freshly grinded ginger garlic paste to any curry, you can feel the enhancement in the taste of it. Now I am adding the chicken pieces, half a kg of chicken nicely washed and cleaned. After adding the chicken, you have to stir fry it along with the masala. Just roast it in low medium flame so that the raw smell should be removed. By the time our chicken is getting roasted, let's blend one large sized tomato along with few cashew nuts, around 9 to 10 cashew nuts. Let's blend and make a smooth paste of it. Now the paste is ready, tomato and cashew nut paste. Now let's check our chicken which is cooking. Let's roast for a few more seconds and let's add dry masalas now, like half a spoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 spoon of coriander powder. And add half a spoon of black pepper powder also. Because this is Kashmiri chicken, I prefer to add Kashmiri red chili powder to it. Just to enhance the color and the texture of the chicken. Now I'm roasting the chicken along with all these ingredients without adding water. At this point, let's add the grinded tomato and cashew nut paste. After adding this also, we have to roast the chicken for a few more minutes. Roasting the chicken with the masala is very important because it helps in enhancing its taste. If you just add the water immediately after adding the chicken, it will not give that much good taste to the gravy. Now adding the thick yogurt, around 1 full tablespoon of thick yogurt I am adding now. Let's give a good mix now. Let's roast for a few more seconds. The flame is in low medium. At this stage itself you can see how attractive the color of the gravy is. Now adding a little water, only 2 cups of water I am adding here. This much of water will be enough to cook this half kg of chicken. I'll keep the flame in medium and let's cook the chicken covered for 15 minutes. Now 15 minutes are over. I am just opening and checking it. It's very well done. You can see the chicken is very well cooked and how beautiful the color has turned out. Now at this point adding some crushed kasuri methi. Kasuri methi is important to add in Kashmiri chicken. It's almost done now. That's all. You can see that the masala is oozing out the oil. Let's garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Our awesome and extraordinary delicious Kashmiri chicken masala is ready. It goes excellent with anything like chapati, naan, puri, or plain rice or pulao. Just make and enjoy this chicken along with family and share your feedback with me. Hope you liked today's video. See you soon in my next video with one more interesting recipe. Thank you so much for watching.